Ceramic tiles are found in homes, offices, and buildings around the world. But behind their simple appearance lies a fascinating process of modern manufacturing. The journey begins with carefully selected raw materials such as clay, feldspar, and other natural minerals. These materials form the foundation of strong and durable ceramic tiles. The raw materials are crushed and mixed with water in large industrial tanks, creating a fine slurry. Next, the prepared material is pressed under extremely high pressure to form the shape of the tile. This step gives each tile its precise dimensions and structural strength. After forming, the tiles move to one of the most critical stages of the process, firing in the kiln. Inside massive tunnel furnaces, temperatures rise to more than 1100 degrees Celsius, transforming the raw material into hardened ceramic. Once the firing process is complete, the tiles gradually cool before moving to advanced polishing machines. Here, rotating polishing heads and water create a smooth and glossy surface finish. Finally, each tile is carefully inspected and sorted to ensure it meets strict quality standards before being packed and